How to change audio language on YouTube. Do you want to change the audio language of a video on YouTube? Whether you're looking to watch videos in your preferred language or just want to explore other audio options, I'll show you how to change the audio language on YouTube quickly and easily. Step 1. Open YouTube and find your video first. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device or go to youtube.com on your computer. Find the video you want to watch that has multiple audio language options available. Step 2. Look for audio language options. Not all videos on YouTube have multiple audio languages, but if the video does, you'll usually find the language options in the video settings. Click or tap on the video to bring up the playback controls. Step 3. Access the Video Settings tab or click on the gear icon. This opens up the settings menu where you can adjust playback quality, subtitles, and more. Step 4. Select Audio Track, if available. If the video has multiple audio tracks, this option will appear. Tap on it and you'll see a list of available languages. Choose your preferred language and the audio will change automatically. Note: if you don't see the audio language option, it means the video doesn't have multiple audio tracks available. This feature depends on the video creator uploading multiple audio versions, and that's how you change the audio language on YouTube. If this guide helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.